In the last video, we introduced the 4 pillars behind Prompted by Feelings. Today, we focus on Pillar 2, personalization. And this matters for a simple reason. A lot of people don't dislike AI. They dislike the way AI talks. Too long, too confident, too robotic, or it gives you a perfect answer that doesn't fit your life. So today I'm going to show you how to personalize your AI in a way that feels calm, clear, and genuinely helpful. And by the way, this is also how you keep AI from feeling like it's replacing people. Because you're not handing over your thinking. You're shaping a tool to support your thinking. Alright, personalization has 3 parts: tone, structure, pace. Tone is the personality. Structure is how the answer is organized. And pace is how fast the AI moves through the steps. Here's the good news. You do not need a fancy setup. You just need one good starter prompt. I'm going to give you 3 tone options. Pick the one that fits you best. Option 1 is my favorite. It's calm, friendly, and practical. Here it is. Calm Mentor Prompt. From now on, be my calm, friendly mentor. Keep answers short and practical. When I share emotions, reflect them back in one sentence. Then ask one gentle question. Avoid hype, pressure, or fear-based language. If I'm unclear, ask one clarifying question first. Now tone option 2. If you want something more direct, like a helpful coworker, use this. Practical Coach Prompt. Be my practical coach. Give me the simplest next step first. Use bullet points. Keep it under 120 words unless I ask for more. End with one question that helps you tailor the answer. And tone option 3. If you want something warmer and more encouraging, use this. Friendly Teammate Prompt. Be my friendly teammate. Use plain language. Use short thought groups with line breaks. Be encouraging, but not cheesy. Offer 2 options when I'm stuck. End with one question. Now here's the key skill. Even a great prompt won't be perfect every time. So you need one phrase that steers the AI. This one works almost every time. Try again. Make it simpler. Ask me one question. That phrase is pure gold, because it slows the AI down. It makes it human, and it gives you control. Let's do a quick example. Say you type, "I need help, but I'm overwhelmed." A personalized AI should respond like this. It sounds like you're overwhelmed and trying to do too much at once. What's the one thing that feels most urgent right now? That's it. Not 10 paragraphs. Not a lecture. Just clarity. And then a next step. Now one more tip. If you ever feel the AI is taking over the conversation, bring it back to your pace. Say, "Give me one step." Or, "Give me 2 choices." Or, "Summarize in 3 bullets." That's Pillar 2 in action. Personalization isn't a feature. It's a skill. And once you have it, AI gets a lot less frustrating. If you want the free prompt guide, it's linked on our website. And if you join the email list, we'll send beginner-friendly prompts each month. Next video, we'll move into Pillar 3, practical use in real life and work. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. And remember, you're not being replaced. You're learning how to drive a powerful tool, one step at a time.